How healthy would you say your country's food is?
To be perfectly honest, I have deepest concerns about Chinese food, which is very unhealthy for each of us. The reason is because since China opened its door to the rest of the world, the whole Chinese society has started to go after money, by hook or by crook. The food industry in China is no exception. They are all profit-oriented and never health-oriented, from the Chinese farmers to Chinese food factories and restaurants. For example, it is common knowledge that most Chinese restaurants are using dirty recycled oil to cook. Food served in these Chinese restaurants is cheap and cheerful, but really harmful in the long or short term. It is reported that Chinese farmers use excessive chemicals to grow their crops, vegetables, and fruits to make them grow faster and look gorgeous. Very unethical. Very immoral. But they don't care. Chinese authorities are blind purposely and don't want to do anything about the problems in food industry as well because they have their own special supply of food which is isolated from the food supply of majority of ordinary Chinese people, which is so unfair and unjust. It is too sad and it pains me to rate Chinese food 2 out of 10, and I think I am too nice and too forgiving to give it 2. In fact, it would have been minus if I were the judge.
Contact Dr. NN in England.